Ever wondered what your landlord is legally responsible for when it comes to repairs and maintenance? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Amrit Gill, your Ontario paralegal, and today we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of landlord legal responsibilities in Ontario. Before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any legal insights. And if you're a returning viewer, it's great to have you back. Now, let's get into it. In Ontario, landlords have a legal obligation to keep their rental properties in a good state of repair and fit for habitation. This means they must ensure the property is safe, clean, and in a good state of repair. This includes everything from fixing a leaky faucet to ensuring the heating system is working properly during those cold Ontario winters. But what happens when your landlord isn't holding up their end of the bargain? Well, as a tenant, you have rights. You can apply to the Landlord and Tenant Board for a rent abatement, or even an order requiring your landlord to make necessary repairs. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your rights and responsibilities can save you a lot of headaches down the line. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of landlord legal responsibilities in Ontario. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And if you're dealing with a legal issue and need some assistance, feel free to reach out to me. I provide lawyer quality work at a paralegal price, helping you save on your legal costs. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. I'm Amrit Gill, your Ontario paralegal, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay informed and take care.